If you've ever launched a last-minute promotion only to see disappointing results, you're not alone. Many e-commerce businesses struggle with missed sales, disorganized marketing, and inventory issues simply because they don't have a clear plan. Without a structured retail calendar, promotions feel rushed, marketing efforts are scattered, and inventory planning becomes a guessing game. Social media ads, emails, and discounts run out of sync, leading to wasted budget and low engagement. Shopify store owners also miss out on powerful automation tools that could boost conversions. A retail calendar changes all of that. It's not just a list of shopping dates, it's a strategy. With it, you can plan promotions in advance, align your marketing efforts, and optimize inventory so you never overstock or sell out too soon. Now that we know a retail calendar is essential for maximizing sales, the real question is how to use it effectively. Instead of leaving you to figure things out on your own, it gives you ready-to-use promotion strategies, Shopify app recommendations, and conversion-boosting templates tailored to each sales event. For example, if you're planning a New Year's sale, the PageFly retail calendar doesn't just mark January 1st as an important date. It provides recommending tools like Klaviyo for automated emails, a countdown timer to create urgency, and PageFly landing page templates to make your promotion stand out. Every event in the calendar is backed by proven e-commerce strategies, helping you align your marketing, promotions, and store design for maximum impact. And because it's built for Shopify, everything integrates seamlessly so you can execute campaigns quickly and effectively. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips to grow your business. Drop a comment and let me know what's the next big sales event you're preparing for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.